Back at you again with another Cooking Creations. This is Chef Brandon, Executive Chef of Four Winds Casino. We're gonna have some fun today. We're gonna bring something a little different to the pot. We're gonna bring some oysters. I know we're not real familiar with them here in the Midwest. We're a little bit more meat and potato people, but let's have some fun with it today. We're gonna bring in New Orleans twist to it. It's got the silky oyster with the garlicky, salty kind of finish on it. Let's have some fun. We'll get into it right now. So we got our oysters here. So to me, we got some Blue Island oysters right here. Those are to me some of the best ones because you're getting that salty, you're getting the briny finish to it, but it's also got that sweet taste to it too. So let's pop one open. I'll show you kind of how it's done. It's not too hard. What you got your oyster shucker tool here, your knife here. You're gonna just get it between the groove. You'll see on the oysters there's a little grooves along the side. That's kind of like the opening spot for them. I usually use a little towel to get a good grasp, and plus you don't really want to cut yourself. It's pretty easy to cut yourself on this, so if you don't watch yourself. You just get that tool in there, work it in there. All right. So once you get it, like I said, towel, you want to be careful because they can slip and cut yourself if you're not careful. Let's see, we got our oyster here. And what we try to do, a lot of times when I get that oyster shuck, I try to just get it loosened up because it's connected there inside the shell. All right, we got our oysters. Now I'm gonna shuck a couple more of these here. I'll be back in a second. All right, so we got our oysters. We got our French bread for dipping. We got some green onions chopped, some fresh oregano, some fresh thyme, our Romano cheese, some white wine, so you can use a Chablis or a Chardonnay. We got some Worcestershire, some fresh garlic, lemon juice, some chili pepper flakes, some whole butter, and then some Cajun or Creole seasoning, something blackening seasoning or something, just to give it a little kick. We got our oyster shuck. Now let's get started on the sauce. First off, we're gonna get our butter melting. While that's going, I'm gonna go ahead and get my oysters on top of the grill. They take 3 or 4 minutes. You're gonna wanna see, you can put them directly on that heat because the shell almost essentially acts as like a pan for it, or a cooking vessel. All right, this is getting close. I'm gonna go ahead and finish it off with the rest of our butter. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna spoon a teaspoon on top of each one of these oysters while they're starting to grill and warm up. It's gonna help that flavor get infused in our oysters here. You can see they're starting to bubble a little bit. That liquor that I talked about starting to bubble on the sides. That means that's a good sign. That means these things are starting to cook here. Cook my babies. All right, it's time to start pulling these bad boys off. Look at that. Oh. Ooh, you could smell these right now. Oh, got my mouth watering over here. And there you have it. Check it out. I know it's something that you really need to try at least once in your life. If you're a seafood fan, a shellfish fan, it's definitely worth a try. I know some people are a little more intimidated with the raw oyster, and I get that. It is something I feel like you should try once in your life too. Try to get to one of the coastlines and get one of those fresh ones because they're gonna just pop when you get to try it. But when you try one of these, we have the garlic, you have the butter, you got the salty, you got just everything mixed into it with the lemon juice and the white wine and stuff. It's really worth the shot to try this out. It's gonna rock your taste buds world, especially when you got a little bit of the grilled bread to go with it, a little bit of dipping butter. And it always goes good with a little bit of wine. From my kitchen to yours, Chef Brandon. Have fun.